Complex partial seizures, a type of focal seizure, are characterized by impaired consciousness and can involve a variety of symptoms such as confusion, automatisms, which are repetitive movements, and altered awareness. While conventional medical treatments are essential for managing epilepsy, some natural herbs have been traditionally considered to have potential anticonvulsant properties. Valerian, also known as Valeriana officinalis, is known for its sedative effects and will help reduce the frequency and intensity of seizures. Here are some common ways to consume valerian. Valerian root tea is a popular method. Valerian supplements in capsule or tablet form are widely available. Valerian extract can be found in liquid form, similar to tinctures, and is usually more concentrated. Valerian root powder can be mixed with water, juice, or smoothies, herbal blend products. Valerian is often included in sleep or relaxation herbal blends. Passion flower, also known as Passiflora incarnata, is noted for its calming properties and can aid in managing seizure activity. Passion flower can be consumed in the same forms as valerian root, such as tea, extracts, supplements, and powder form. Kava, or Piper methysticum, has been used traditionally in the South Pacific. Kava has sedative and anxiolytic properties that can aid in managing epilepsy symptoms. Kava is traditionally consumed for its calming and sedative effects. It is also available in powder form for teas and soups, as well as in extract and capsule form for supplements. Here are some options for where to buy valerian, passion flower, and kava. Stores like Whole Foods Market, Sprouts Farmers Market, and natural grocers often carry a wide selection of herbal supplements and dried herbs. Chain pharmacies such as CVS, Walgreens, and Rite Aid may carry herbal supplements in their health and wellness sections. Local herbal shops or apothecaries often have a variety of herbs in different forms, such as teas, tinctures, capsules, and dried herbs. Stores like the Vitamin Shop and GNC offer a range of herbal supplements. Some farmers markets and cooperative grocery stores sell locally sourced herbs and herbal products. While these herbs can offer benefits, they should not replace conventional epilepsy and complex partial seizure treatments. Always discuss with a healthcare provider before incorporating any herbs into your treatment plan to avoid potential interactions with prescribed medications and ensure safety and efficacy. And if you found this helpful, then please check out our videos on managing high blood pressure the natural way and the natural cholesterol cure everyone's talking about. Thank you for watching, and remember to embrace the power of nature for a healthier, happier you.